In this part of the training, we want to talk about text messages a little bit further and texting rates. We have covered off that the default sending of gossip and messages advising of fundraising activities is via email. We have covered off under edit interests the connections to groups and organisations so that you can be advised of it, the use of the address book, and under interests edit activities to be advised of which activities you want to be told about. I want to cover off the texting aspects now. So we have gone account, edit preferences. You, as an individual, where you want to receive challenges via text and to participate in challenges by text, tick the box. The texting rates are shown accordingly here, including any sales tax for that country. Where both parties have mobile phones, have elected to do challenges by text, then they are texted. Otherwise, the challenges are done by email. And remember, the cost of the text message is taken out of the contribution when the challenge is played out. So when the challenge is played out, texting is free to you, i.e. as an individual and as a volunteer, you get your expenses refunded from the organisation. Where you elect to text your friends or your supporters for either the gossip or on the fundraising activities, you tick the boxes. Where you wish to receive the texts, you tick the boxes. And obviously you click save. So, I'm an individual. I want to text my friends about a fundraising activity. I have to be connected in here and have it ticked that I want to text. Those friends of mine that don't want to receive text messages will receive email. Those that want to receive text messages receive text messages. The cost of the text messages is displayed here. Now, you see the cost when you're texting in the same country and when you're texting overseas, including any sales taxes. You see the margin that Value Communities makes on any text message, and you also see the community refund. So what that means is this. In this example, you're paying roughly 27 cents a text message, of which 10 cents is a community contribution. So what that means is that 10 cents is going back to the organisation with which the text is associated. This appears in your statements. You get a texting invoice and a texting statement as well. And whether you can claim any tax deductions on that is an issue for you and your accountant accordingly. So, you opt in to text, you opt in to receive texts. Text messages are paid from your online funds account, and some of them include a community contribution, on which you may be able to claim a tax deduction or not. Anyway, you set the flags and tick save.